Hey guys, today we will learn moving and navigation in Blender. Let's get started. First, we must open Blender and new file, general. We will see on scene, cube, camera and light, point light. If we want to look closer to cube, we must scroll middle mouse. If we want to rotate and see other parts of cube, we must press middle mouse and move mouse. And if we want to move without rotate, we must click shift and we must move. And this is navigation, and we learn how to move objects, and there is two ways of moving objects. First of all, we must click left side of screen, move. You can click this and this will say us G. You must press G, or you can press direction and you must move mouse. You will see this is object moving, and like x-axis or y-axis or z-axis. First you must click G on your keyboard, and second you must click direction, X or Z or Y. Okay, this is easily. Then click and move. And second, we can rotate objects like this or like this, and if you lose close, Blender says to us, you can press R and rotate. You can rotate along Z axis. If you press R and Z, you can rotate along Z axis. If you press R and Y, you can rotate along Y axis. And X, okay. And third, we will learn scaling objects. You can increase or decrease scale of objects like this, or you can press S and direction like this. I want to cube will be world origin. You must press shift and S, cursor selection to cursor. And if I want to, cube will be their default state. Control Alt R, clear rotation, and you can see, or you can press this place and you can press 1 and you can see this will be little smaller because original size is 2 meters, and we can add another cube, shift A and cube, and we press Alt and Z. We can turn on X-ray mode or Z displays. You can see this, and you can close. If you want to view one direction, you can press 1 or 2 on your keyboard. Right side, numpads from, and you can disable grids and infos like this, and you can see this, or you can see with material preview, and you can see render view. Okay, today's lesson end with this. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.